If you've ever worked on a complex timeline in Premiere Pro, you know the native markers panel has its limits. Thumbnails are often too large, taking up precious screen real estate, and the name field is notoriously cramped, constantly cropping your text with no way to resize the columns. Today, we're looking at the Markers Command Center, a powerful replacement designed to solve these exact bottlenecks. MCC is built for information density. Unlike the default panel, you aren't stuck with fixed thumbnail sizes or rigid column widths. You can resize columns to see your full marker names and comments without making the entire panel take up half your screen. Even in a narrow view, everything stays readable and accessible. Editing is just as intuitive. Double-click any name or comment to enter edit mode and hit enter to apply. If you need frame-accurate placement, double-clicking a timecode opens a precision modal to set its position exactly. Efficiency starts with selection. MCC supports standard shortcuts like Shift Select for ranges and Control Select for individual markers. But the real game changer is batch coloring. In native Premiere, you have to edit markers one by one to change their color. In MCC, you simply select your group, click a color at the top, and they update instantly across your entire timeline. Need to map out a rhythm or mark every cut? The Add Markers tool offers two powerful modes. First, you can generate markers at a set interval. For example, every 10 seconds. Second, you can select clips in your timeline, and MCC will automatically place markers at every edit point. This is perfect for identifying scene changes or transition points in seconds. Moving markers between sequences is usually a hard task. MCC introduces a robust copy and paste system. You can perform a standard paste at your playhead, or use Shift Paste to place markers at their original timecode, even in a different sequence. If your edit shifts, use the Shift Time tool. You can offset a selected group by a specific duration with mathematical precision. Beyond moving markers, MCC handles their length with the Set Duration tool. Unlike Premiere's native tools, which require manual dragging for every single marker, this allows you to define a specific duration for all selected markers simultaneously. Managing metadata is just as easy. The Batch Rename tool allows you to sequence marker names with custom padding, while Find and Replace lets you update status notes, like changing Review to Approved across your entire project in one click. Finally, MCC helps you move your data outside of Premiere. The CSV export is fully customizable, letting you choose exactly which columns to include. Most importantly, both the Export and the YouTube Chapters tool respect your active color filters, meaning they only process the markers currently visible in your panel. This allows you to generate a perfectly filtered, time-stamped list for your video description in a single click. Stop fighting the default panel and start managing your timeline with precision. Markers Command Center. Command your markers, control your edit. Available now at aescripts.com.